Hey guys, I hope you're all having a good day. So, a bit of context. This intro, super late, but we're like already back from Osaka, so yeah. I apologize for the fact that this intro probably is not relevant at all. But pretty much as soon as we drove to Osaka, you guys would have seen in yesterday's video, yeah, we pretty much got to the Osaka Auto Messe. We got there a day early. This was the day that everyone was pretty much setting up, ready to go. However, Okachans basically said that we're allowed in, but he didn't come in with us. We didn't have any passes. We had absolutely no authorization from anyone that was actually in there. Okachans basically said, walk straight past security, and if he tries to stop you, don't. So we walked in. I didn't film the security part because literally we were just trying to act like we owned the place. Me and Sam, he was a little bit in front of me. The security tried to stop him, and then when they knew they couldn't stop him, they tried to stop me. I pointed at Sam, and I literally just barged past them. So we got in, and this is what happened. Alright, so we have made it to Osaka. I have no idea what's here in comparison to Tokyo. Wouldn't have a clue. But yeah, this place is absolutely massive. We went over a massive big bridge before. What are you doing?
I thought he locked it, but he didn't.
Oh, I can't believe he trusts you with that thing.
Yeah, me either, honestly.
Yeah. This is sick though. So just over behind us right now is the entrance for the, is it Osaka Auto Salon or Motor Show? Or?
Like Auto Messe, I guess.
Auto Messe. Right, okay. So yes, we're going to have a look in there. It isn't open at the moment, but they're all setting up completely so we can go in there, have a little look around, check out some of the cool cars and hopefully get some good footage in. And then, yeah, I don't know what else we're going to go up to this afternoon. What are we going to get up to this afternoon?
I have no idea.
Cool. I got no idea either. I've heard Kyoto's pretty cool, yeah?
It's pretty far away from here, bro.
Oh, okay, well, we're not going there then. So, we may have just quickly taken off, like, past security. And I don't know whether we should be in here or not, but we're here. The Osaka Auto Messe. So pretty much Okachans said we could come in here, basically just film, set up, everything else as well. Tomorrow this place is going to be absolutely packed. So yeah, we are going to head inside one of the halls now and go check out some of the awesome cars. And yeah, this is so cool. Holy crap. Tomorrow, this is going to be crazy. So just cruising on by this booth right now. You guys are going to get so confused by this. It is most definitely not an 86. This is a 350C with an 86 front. Look at these wheels too. Far out. That's crazy. Alrighty then. Holy moly. These cars are insane. Australian police would have a fit. One thing I love about Japan are their stance vans. These are so cool. So I'm trying to be really official here because I don't know whether it's supposed to be in here or not, but it's alright. We Gucci. It's all about that spot life, bro. Far out. I'm trying to act not surprised here. Like, just casual Honda booth right there. That's cool. This is wicked. I just found two crazy McLarens, and what I love about this one, forged carbon fiber. It's trying so hard to act official. It's really difficult, this job. Yo dude, Breeze K car. These little Toyota wagons. So nice. There are some cars here I haven't even heard of before. What? If anyone knows what this is, let me know. It's crazy. New Supra, bagged with some so Forge Tech wheels? Never heard of them before. But yeah, that's a pretty crazy setup. Not bad at all, hey. That's the new Liberty Walk body kit for the R33. Oh, R34, sorry. Far out.
It looks like the R30 that we saw at Nissan Heritage.
Yeah, sure does. The
kind of Taito racer design.
Yeah.
Very cool, hey.
Wow. That is impressive. I wonder how much that costs. Probably a lot of money.
50 grand. Normally Liberty Walk kits are like 50 grand a pop.
Yeah. That's pocket change, mate. Pocket change. Yeah. Wow, there you go. R35 GDR, 458, and an R35 GDR sitting down there as well. It's quite impressive. But yeah, no. This Liberty Walk kit, this R34, is crazy. I was not expecting that at all. Wow, this is full tracked out too. This is Like a brand new build. Seats are still brand new. Everything inside is brand new. Dude, this is like a fresh build, like
Oh yeah, no,
fresh.
they just released it in Tokyo.
Really? Yeah, right.
Very cool.
Wow, that's insane.
Kato-san's pretty revolutionary when it comes to body kits.
He sure is, and to my knowledge, he only works out of his workshop, yeah? He's tiny little...
I don't know, yeah.
No, okay, I'll have to have a look then.
Very cool though.
Yeah, definitely. He's definitely got the styling right, hasn't he?
Yeah.
He's killed it.
Silhouette design.
Yeah. So if you guys remember the silhouette cars we saw at the Nissan Heritage Museum the other day, this is literally exactly how it would look. I'm trying so difficult not to act like, trying to act professional looking at this, but this is so difficult. This is crazy. Wow, all of these are brand new, fresh builds, like brand new cars, basically completely built from the ground up. This is insane. Breeze tees, my boys. I think this kit actually makes the IA look bearable. Very cool, looks like a Suzuki Swift right there. Very cool, very cool. Gazoo Racing, is that a Yaris? I wouldn't even have a clue. But let's go out and check out some of these, Supra. Check out this Gazoo Racing Toyota Supra. That's crazy. This must be one of their, imagine this, one of their race cars. Side pipe exhaust. Look at the interior in that. I'm curious as to what engine it's running. Very cool. And one very clean Supra right here. Very cool car. I love the carbon sides and everything else on it too. Carbon side splitters. Car is very cool. Supra in number 425,000. Not going to try and get it in anyone's way, but they have one of their old, looks like their old Le Mans cars out there. That's pretty crazy too. Hopefully we can get around and have a look at that. It's pretty cool. Don't really know my Ferraris that well, but yeah, that's pretty crazy. Looks awesome. One very cool looking Hachiroku. Awesome car. You can see they have one of their Gazoo Racing Garises out here, or Yaris as people call them for some odd reason. But they've actually chopped out some parts of the engine right there as well, so you can see all the valves and the cylinder heads and everything else working as well. That's a very cool setup. So we found my favourite section. This is the food. This is section 1. Not set up yet, but I'm sure it will be. Dude.
Osaka Food Auto Messe Challenge. Order something from each store tomorrow and try and eat it all.
Oh, I have to order like nothing. A singular olive from everyone. A singular cherry tomato.
One of these guys sell olives.
A singular cherry tomato from every seller. What?
It's called Decatura.
Decatura.
Yeah, it just kind of means like crazy truck kinda,
over the top.
Yeah. Like crazy lights and everything. Like this is normally done to normal trucks, but this is done to a little K car truck.
That's crazy.
But yeah, like everything's custom. Look at all the door panels.
Yeah.
All the top, they build all this. Very cool, right?
Yeah. There's a Gucci bag in there too.
Oh yeah, normally the guys that run this stuff are loaded.
Yeah, right.
Gotta be.
For some reason. That's crazy. What on earth is this? I have no words. This looks like a, I didn't even know what it is. It looks like a Honda of some description, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe I can find out around the front. If anyone knows what this car is, let me know. That's sick. Sick 350 that we saw come in just before. That front lip kind of reminds me of like a Lambo of some description. Actually looks pretty sweet. That is the sickest Duke that I have ever seen. Doesn't make it look good, but it's there and it's a thing. Now I saw this thing out of the corner of my eye. Kind of look like one of those shadow cars that we saw, Kaido Racer, which is what it was kind of based off. That's a very cool looking car. Check out the color of these rims here. They're like almost, I don't know, they're kind of like those neochrome ones that SSR make, but I could imagine these are a lot more expensive than SSRs. Dude, they're crazy. Let's count the number of exhausts on this car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alrighty then. So we kind of like went into a hall called 6A, 6B. We had no idea whether these were even halls. Turns out it's the Supercar hall, or something along the lines of very high prestige halls. Wow, These are crazy. I think I found my dream stand. Raise wheels. We have a awesome 2020 Supra sitting over here at the moment. Another 2020 Supra right there. McLaren 650 or 720, not quite sure. But oh man. Alright, I think this is the biggest haul of all. Oh man. Insane looking S15 right here. Man, it's a little bit too aggressive for my liking. It's like the fenders and everything else as well. But this whole setup here looks insane. Far out. Millennium Jade R34 GDR. Running some T's. Oh, my life is complete. Another 2020 Supra. 2020 Supra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, I was not expecting this. It's like an Origin kit. I'm fairly sure. Might have to quickly check with Sam. Far out. This thing is so clean. I love that bonnet too. See, if I was to do an S15 build, this would literally be how it looks like. Very insane car. Man, this fair lady. Oh, it looks like the Mazda Soul Red too. Wow, that's quite an impressive build. His tint on his windscreen is the darkest I've ever seen. I can't even see him. Fat looking 86 with some awesome little TEs. Whew. Not too bad. R34 GTR V-Spec running some, I believe, LMGT4s with the Nismo cutouts and everything. Nismo laser cut, sorry. Another R35 GTR, exactly the same color. All very close too. Wow. It is one very good looking car. Very cool Nissan booth right here. First thing is the girls talking sound like robots and it's scaring me. Pretty fat looking R34 to be honest. Kind of like, it looks kind of like some of it is like exposed plastic, the way like that kit is gone. The rest of it's kind of all matte. I don't know, it's kind of an interesting look, but probably shows off that kit really well. But this is probably the best looking 2020 Supra that I've ever seen. I don't know what it is. I think it might just be the BBS LM wheels, or it could be the fact that it has a massive big wing on the back of it. Man, this is a good looking car. Wanted to get a quick closer look at this Civic. I don't really want to step on the ground there, but that is a that is a very clean engine bay. The whole car's completely stripped out, dried seats in there. Man, this thing looks insane. I don't know how I feel about the no fog lights, but it's definitely something interesting. And then check out this S15 here. Oh man, that is a good looking car. That's interesting. I don't know. This right here I like more. That's pretty sick. I am like highly considering getting this R33 plate right here, 330 R33. Looks so cool. Wait, what's all this?
Look.
Oh, that's cool.
Dude, Ceferos, my New Zealander guys.
You guys already know. Yo, never seen Breeze handrails. Ooh. This place is cool. Yo, how good is this? The No Good Racing Civics. That Civic right there is so crazy wide. That's awesome. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. If you did like it, remember to leave a like. It was so sick to see all those cars out there before tomorrow's video, which you guys will see. It's also such a sick day. But yeah, if you guys like the video, remember to leave a like. And if you do like the content, please consider subscribing, because I do content like this every day. Well, probably not Japan videos, but content like this every day, doing random stuff. So yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.